Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the original cable on your Thermomix TM6. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task safely. Tools needed *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Wire stripper. 4. Electrical tape. 5. New replacement cable. 6. Multimeter for testing, optional. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, make sure your Thermomix TM6 is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Gather all the tools listed above in a clean, well-lit workspace. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess your device's condition. Step 2. Disassembling the Thermomix. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. Be cautious not to force it open, as this can damage the clips holding it together. Step 3. Locating the cable. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the original cable connected to the power supply. Check for any signs of wear or damage. If the cable looks frayed or damaged, it's definitely time for a replacement. Step 4. Removing the old cable. Carefully disconnect the old cable from the power supply. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any clips holding the cable in place. If you're unsure about this process, remember, we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home to make this easier. Step 5. Preparing the new cable. Take your new replacement cable and strip the ends using the wire stripper. Ensure that you have enough length to connect it securely to the power supply. Step 6. Connecting the new cable. Connect the new cable to the power supply by following the same method used for the old cable. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Use electrical tape to wrap any exposed wires to prevent potential short circuits. Step 7. Reassembling the Thermomix. Once the new cable is securely connected, carefully place the base back onto the main unit. Screw it back in using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure all screws are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could cause damage. Step 8. Testing your Thermomix. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to test if the new cable is working properly. If you have a multimeter, you can use it to check for continuity to ensure a proper connection. If the device still doesn't work, remember we provide quotes before repair, so you can know what to expect. Once you have confirmed that everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the original cable on your Thermomix TM6. If you encountered any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.